Welcome to this video. This is how to connect your Bybit account to your MT5. So now this is your Bybit account. As you are on your Bybit account, what you want to do is to click on more. When you click on more, you're going to allow it to load. Then come to this icon that is saying TradeFi. When you tap on TradeFi, it's going to appear like this. Now what you're going to do, for those of you that are opening it for the very first time, you're going to see something like terms and conditions and all of that. Just scroll down and accept yes or agree to the terms. Then it will bring you to this interface. Alright, then the next thing you want to do is to click on this margin level right here. By the time you click on this margin level, this is what you're going to see. So after you see this, the next thing you want to do is to tap on this MT5 ID. The last thing right here, MT5 ID. Tap on it. By the time you tap on it, I want you to take notice of something very, very important. The first thing is that I want you to take notice of this MT5 ID. If you can copy it and paste it somewhere, good and fine. And then I want you to also take notice of this server. You can see mine is showing Bybit Life-2. Now it might not be the same for everybody, so you also have to take notice of it. If you miss screenshotting this interface when you get to this point, please do that, or you can as well also copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Now the next thing that you want to do that is very, very important is to reset your password. You can see that you have a primary password and you have a read-only password. So what you should do is you should click on this primary password and reset it. So let's reset it. Now it's gonna ask me to input my password. Okay, so now I want to create a password that I can always use to log into my TradeFi. This is not your Bybit password, this is just your TradeFi password. So let me create my password. Now after you've done that, you just click on confirm. Now if you are using Google Authenticator for your Bybit account, then all you have to do is just go and open your Google Authenticator and copy the code. That's if you have connected your Bybit account to your Google Authenticator. If you have not done that, probably they might ask you that they will send the code to your email just for verification processes. And if you've not done any of this just to protect your accounts, I will recommend that you go and do connect your account to Google Authenticator. If you don't know how to do that, just comment on the comment section that I should teach you how to connect your Bybit account to Google Authenticator just to protect your account. So because I've connected mine to a Google Authenticator, I will simply minimize, go to my Google Authenticator, and then I will copy the code that is showing right here. So you can see as I have 562395. So I'll come back here and type it 562395. okay, and you can see automatically it say that my password has been reset successfully. Now what I want to do right now is that I'm going to copy my MT5 ID. I'm going to copy my MT5 ID. Now I've copied it, then I will minimize to my MT5. Now when you come to your MT5, what you want to do is that you want to tap on this manage accounts. Because I already have an account here already, you can actually add another account to it. But if you don't have any accounts already, you're going to see something like this. So what you want to do is to tap on this plus icon right here. Okay, now you tap on the plus icon, then you find your broker, and the broker I'm using is Bybit. So I'll simply type Bybit. Okay, now you can see it, Infra Capital Limited. This is Bybit broker. Then you tap on it, and then it's going to tell you to what? It's going to tell you to input your logins. But before then, you have to change this server. Remember, I told you that you should always take note of your server. Now my own server is Bybit Life-2, so I will choose Bybit Life-2. After I've done that, then I will include my logins. Remember, there was a login that was that we just resetted recently on our Bybit account. So let me put my logins. Now after I've done that, I'll just simply go ahead and click on login. Don't be confused. Your login is your MT5 ID that you copied from your Bybit account just some few minutes ago, and then the password is the password that you just resetted in your Bybit account as well. Choose your server and then toggle on this save password so that whenever you want to log in again, you don't have to input all of this information all over again. Then you're gonna click on login. Now you can see, voila, it's showing connecting. Now let's wait for it to get connected, then we'll open it to see how it looks like on the MT5 interface. Now that's already connected. You can see it's showing me that I have 0.0 USDT because I've not yet funded my TradeFi account. So I'll simply toggle on it like this. I'll come here to this point and then click on account, and you can see it is there already. If I come to trade right here, you can see that it is showing my balance, my equity, and my free margin. So guys, this is the easiest way to actually connect your Bybit account to your MT5. Very easy peasy. If this video gave you value or you understand, ensure that you give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post videos like this, you always be the first to get them. And if you don't understand it, I recommend that you watch this video over and over again. Take your time and watch it very carefully so that you understand it. See you in my next video.